Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick whistle stop on to accessing the fuse box on the MGZS electric, which I have at the moment. This is the MGZS electric. You've got the glove box, you open this up. I have already removed these two screws. These are the two screws. They would go in here and they would have it's like a stop cork to put it in just in this position specifically. So I've removed, you just had to tilt it. It has the cutout for the screw, and you can obviously do that on your own and ignore all the rubbish in here. So what we have in here is obviously your motor pretty much over there. As you can see, there is the heater as well at the bottom, the AC and the ducts etc. are in there. There's also the passenger airbag, which is on in its on state at the moment, as you can see. And here you have, tucked away, is the passenger fuse box, which is upside down. It's the downward position, so you can't access it as soon as you open the glove box. You have to go under the glove box to get access to it. So what I've done is I've removed these, obviously, and what else needed to be done was to remove these two screws, and they are specifically placed under the glove box, where you have this screw here. I've removed this. This was specifically over here. I've removed this one, and I've removed the other one from here. So once you remove these, you have two more. One is you've got this guy. This is the replaceable screw. It's like you have cable ties. It's something similar. You push it in, it gets locked into place, and you just have to replace it every single time. But I've got it. Luckily, I pulled it out pretty nicely. I can push it back in. That's sheer luck, but I did scratch a little bit on there, which was the unlucky part. The other bit is this one here, which I had partly removed. I'm going to remove the rest of it. Should be out already. Yeah, that's it. So these four are the screws that are holding this bottom section together, and once you've removed the whole plastic pad or the cover, it just comes off. Pretty much simple to get this out. As you can see, that's out now, and you have access to the bottom compartment, which houses, as you can see, the heater on there. And so you have the heater there, you have the motor and all of the wires that are basically coming out of the motor and stuff on here. You have the air conditioning up there as well. Can't be seen, I guess. It should be there. And here comes the fuse box. So I've had this issue that the USB ports on the car stopped working. And the cigarette lighter connector also seems to have stopped working. I basically used the cigarette lighter connector not to light a cigarette, but to use it as a converter to connect to additional USB ports, which seem to have worked, but it seems to have overdrawn some current, and apparently all the USB ports have stopped working except for the wired Android Auto connector, which seems to work, and the infotainment system, etc. It's all working fine except for the USB ports, basically front and back. So it seems like they're all connected to the same, perhaps the resistor or whatever else you have. I was thinking if the fuse in here is gone off, then I will just simply replace it. All of these fuses are for their own specific purpose. You should refer to the user manual for this designated purpose of these ones. It should be on the MG app as well, and all of those are specifically listed. But this is where the fuse box is. I'm going to try and start to test each of these. I think I'm specifically interested in the 15 amp fuse, these two. It seems like they may be the ones for the cigarette connector, which may have gone off because of overdraw of the converter that we had. But just to give you a bit of an overview, these are the passenger fuses that are underside. It's not easily accessible, but you have option just to remove the 4 screws, and you have full access to your passenger fuse box. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.